How to add Humanizer skill to Claude. If you want to add a Humanizer skill to Claude, this video will show you how to download the skill and install it step by step. First, open your web browser and search for Humanizer skill. Open the GitHub page for the Humanizer skill and download the skill file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open Claude on your Windows PC and sign into your account. Now, click your profile icon near the bottom of the sidebar. Select Settings. Scroll down and find Skills, then click on it. At the top of the Skills page, click Add to upload a new skill. When the upload window appears, drag and drop the Humanizer skill file you downloaded from GitHub into the upload area. Wait for Claude to finish importing the skill. Once the upload is complete, the Humanizer skill will appear in your skills list. To test it, open a new chat and enter a prompt that uses the Humanizer skill. Submit the prompt and wait for Claude to process your request. That's how you can add the Humanizer skill to Claude and use it in your future conversations. If you find this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more Claude AI tips and tutorials.